Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. You. Another one. 1, 2, 3. You. Good job.
We're gonna do this every day.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
Oi!
Sorry. Another one.
Okay, like this and then
1.
wait.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Yun! Good job. Other one. Higher. 1, 2, 3. You!
Messi! Okay, like this and then
Yeah. 1. Ready?
wait.
1, 2, 3. You! Good job. I like that.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Good job. I like that. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. 1, 2, 3. Good job. 1, 2,
Oh boy.
3. Doing good. Doing good.
Really? You're only the kid.
1, 2. Ready? Ready yourself. 1, 2, 3. Good job. Doing good. Doing better.
That's what I like it.
Yeah, 1. Go. 1, 2, 3. You much better. 1, 2. Ready? Serve. Go. You,
You hit my nose.
sorry,
You hit my nose.
accident. You serve like this. 1, 2, 3. Go. Good job. No need to jump. 1, 2, 3. Just hit the ball. You. Got it?
Yeah.
1.
Okay, like this and then.
Oh, don't need to jump. 1, 2, 3. Just hit the ball. Yeah. Great, great, great.
You know tennis? Where Tita, you know that one girl and one boy have a baby in the church?
Okay, yeah.
And what,
Let's go.
yeah.
Ready? Arms together. 1, 2, 3. You.
Whoa.
Last. 1.
Position.
Position. 1, 2, 3. You. Say bye-bye na tayo, Chan.
Bye guys. If you wanna practice
Volleyball.
volleyball, just ask my dad.
Okay.